Hello ScientistZ Nation, we are back with another episode of Getting Started series. This is part 2 of the series, and in this part we are gonna install and configure JetPack in our newly created site. So I hope you already opened your dashboard tab. If by some chance you closed it, you can reopen it by typing the /admin at the end of your site URL and you will be back here. Okay, so we need to go to the plugin installation window here. So go to plugin and click on add new. Once you click on add new, your site will redirect you to plugin installation screen. It may take a little bit of time because you're doing it for the very first time. Alright, so on installation screen we are on features tab, and there are a couple of plugins listed already. We also have a jetpack by wordpress.com listed here, but by some chance if the plugin is not listed here, you can search it by the search plugin in input box there. So we're gonna go for the install now because it is already listed here. Click on install now. It will start installing the plugin. It may take a little bit of time because you are doing it the very first time. So we will be back once the installation is completed. Alright, so plugin is installed and it is time to activate this plugin. Just click on activate button to activate this feature. By the way, this plugin have different pricing tiers available, and features are enabled according to your subscription level. We will discuss these points when we reach to that screen. So now all we need to do is to click on the setup jetpack. There is another option to not to do it, but we will do it. Just click on the setup jetpack. Now it will take you to approve screen. Since I already logged into the WordPress, in your case you need to first register on the wordpress.com and then click on approve. I will click on approve and it will authorize the connection to my website. Jetpack have many subscription levels and every subscription brings different feature set, but in our case we are going for the free version. In the meantime, the WordPress authorized this plugin to our site. Just to let you know, we have a blog post with the step-by-step detail documented in this post, and the link to that post is mentioned in the description below. We bring you new series every month and we post new video every week, so make sure you follow us on social media and subscribe to our channel. In this screen we have personal, professional and premium plans with the billing available as monthly or yearly. We decided to go for free. The free button is on the bottom. It is a marketing trick to just give you a small button on the bottom without any description, just to get more subscription out of the customers. Just click on start free button here. It will apply the free version setting and will redirect to your site where we will activate recommended features. Okay, so we are on our main site. Just click on the activate recommended features to activate the free recommended features. Not all the features are available with the free plan, but still they will give you some cool features like protecting your site against malicious attacks and limiting downtime, and they will also give you 4-ton CDN service to improve the image performance. Please make sure to like and subscribe the channel. Click on bell icon to get our latest video right away as we post it on YouTube. If you have any question, please comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Coming up next is creating Azure database for MySQL, and we're gonna migrate our data from MySQL in-app, and we'll also handle security. So stay tuned and see you in the next part.